Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. In this session, I am going to explain the topic name is the current workbench tools and toolbar. This sidebar will be filled with toolbars and tools associated with the current workbench. In this, the current workbench is part design. If you select a different workbench, the tools and toolbars will update to the newly selected workbench. Each lesson covers a specific workbench. The tools and toolbars specific to that workbench will be covered in that particular lesson. The following is a list of things you can do with the tools and toolbars. All the toolbars are tear away toolbars, meaning that you can select the top bar of each tool and drag it to a new location. If you don't know the name of toolbar, you can move the cursor over the tool. Name will be displayed. To close the toolbar, you can select the red cross symbol at the top of the toolbar. To, to reopen the toolbar, you can drag the cursor over the side toolbar and right right mouse click. This will bring up the contextual window. Notice that some tools are already selected and some are not. Each tool can be toggled on off just by selecting it. For example, I am selecting sketch based features. Another method of reopening or adding a toolbar that does not currently exist in a particular workbench is to go to the view menu. From these, select toolbars. This brings up the same window as shown in previous. From this window, you can toggle the tools on or off. If there is a small arrow, if there is small arrow to the bottom right of a tool, as indicated, this indicates that there are additional tools available. To view additional tools, select down arrow. This will expand the toolbar. You can select the tool that you require. The selected tool will become the default tool. The expanded toolbar can be torn away as its own stand alone toolbar by selecting the small bar and drag it to away. You can create your own customized workbench with your own favorite tools. To complete this, you would select the tools. In this, you can select customize. In this, select toolbars. and select the tools. Use this page to add or delete a toolbar to the current workbench. The commands page allows drag and drop to add or remove commands. Sometimes there are too many tools and toolbars on the sidebar at one time. CATIA V5 gives you an indication of this when you see the small double small double chevrons at the bottom of the sidebar. To make all tools visible, select the small bar. To make all tools visible, select the small bar as shown this and drag it and open area in the workspace. If you double click if if the double chevron symbols, that means you still have additional toolbars. Continue the process until the symbol disappear. Next topic is axis orientation. This tool show the orientation of the axis within the workspace. The orientation will change as you the orientation will change as you rotate the part or workspace or this compass. I hope this is very clear to everyone. In coming lesson, I will going to explain the tools toolbar. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.